There's mommy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play.
Hey guys, it's Jen.
And this is Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More. So guys, listen, it is Sunday and we were just on the social media, Facebook, and Chris was able to find us a deal on Marketplace this morning. So we headed over to Danville, Kentucky.
Yeah, we found some bar stools for our Halloween scene, which we're going to set up in the garage, which is going to be Dean and Jack Spades. Jack Spades, the card player from Home Depot. And I had built her a bar, and we're trying to get it, she wants to get it set up as a bar scene in her garage. So she was looking for some stools to go with it. Yes. And we found these, a great deal, $60 for 3 of them. And there was a receipt on the bottom. There's like $140 a piece, and they're very nice. We was surprised. They're better looking than what we really thought they was.
Yeah, and they swivel. They're, super nice, super bargain. So now we're making
about 40 minutes down the road, we're going to Liberty because she found a poker table that we're going to set up with the bar and be able to set Jack of Spades card player up, because you can either have him stand or sit. So we're going to grab his poker table, and we just wanted to bring y'all along on our little journey, and y'all can look at this and see what you think. And after we get it set up, we'll have this have it on the video too of what it looked like afterwards. And what do you think you would do with these and make it look like?
Yeah,
and,
definitely. Hey, mention
please comment in in the comment section.
Yeah, how would you? Because I'm really just not 100% sure yet.
Debating whether we want to change this and maybe put some kind of black fabric on it.
Yeah, and upholstery. But once we get home, we'll kind of set it up with the bar. Still working on that too. But we just wanted to bring you guys on our journey today, on our finding our Halloween treasures too.
Yes. Yeah, just for some Halloween decorating.
All of our family and friends know from like July until the end of October,
we'll be anywhere.
We're on the road, and that's what one of our friends, Olivia, we're called what's she call us? The World Travelers. Because we'll go anywhere for a bargain. So thank you guys for coming along with us, and we are going to go up here and pick up the poker table, and we'll
put that on here too.
Yeah, we'll video that and let you see what we think.
You can't really tell going up a hill how steep it is, because when we go side by side riding, it's hard to tell.
In 2.3 miles, the destination is on your left.
Y'all, we're in the country now. On the hilltop.
In Liberty.
Oh, Lord.
It's nice through here, though.
It's beautiful. Y'all check out this view.
Yeah, we're up like on top of a knob, but it's beautiful up here. It's out looking out over top of Liberty, Kentucky. Awesome up here, and great view.
All right, guys, so we're here and we picked it up. Look, it's perfect.
Is just your soul. Hey, guys and dolls, take a seat, pour yourself a drink, and let's see if you've got the skills to match your courage. If you can beat me, you'll earn my respect and get to keep your soul. And trust me, that is not an easy feat. Just ask the other 4 spirits here. No one has made it out alive. Welcome to my game, mortals. I'm the dealer who always knows when to hold 'em and when to fold 'em. My bony fingers have dealt with the best and the worst. So you think you've got what it takes to outsmart me? Then take a seat and let's see what you're made of. Idea.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining us for this video. We just wanted to kind of go over how good the card player goes in our scene that we come up with the Dean, the
bartender.
Bartender, but deathologist or whatever he's called.
Yeah.
But Home Depot's still selling the Dean. This is last year's version that we bought, but the card player goes great with it. We did have to do, she had me running around half the country trying to find a bar stools and a poker table, but listen,
it turned out really good.
It turned out great. We love it, and that's going to be part of it. We also in here have the band from Lowe's that we have the guitar player and the drummer. That we're going to set up with it. And we also got a little singer surprise to add to it too. So it ain't the one from Lowe's, but it's another one that we found to go with it.
But we'll show y'all another video of that once we get that section of the garage set up. It's slowly but surely coming along.
But it just shows you how good you can turn stuff out by not necessarily going out and buying brand new stuff, just trying to find some stuff on Facebook, Marketplace, or picking up stuff here and there and put it together and make a great scene out of it. So.
Yeah, and a lot of our signs we got actually came from Temu.
Yeah.
We just did a video on Temu as well, and we do get a lot from Temu.
We've got quite a bit, and we found she found one sign at Hobby Lobby on sale, and just normally we just try to pick stuff up and go, hey, we got a plan for it and catch it on sale. But with that being said, thanks for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content. If you got any questions, please leave them below, and we'll try to get back with you as quick as possible.
Yep, and I'm ready for a beard. So everybody have a great, happy Halloween.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.